Hi everyone, TechAid TV here. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to initialize this new Brother DCP-T530DW printer. And without further ado, let's get started. Step 1, please plug your printer into your power source. After plugging in the power cord, it will turn on automatically. Then press plus or minus button and select Setup using LCD. Then press OK. Setup from machine. So here you have to select yes. So press plus button. Then open the ink tank cover and start filling ink. Then after you have finishes filling inks, just close the ink tank cover. Then confirm that ink tank is filled with ink. Then here, tap plus button to select yes. So here you need to confirm ink level in each color to proceed ink initialize. Then printer is now preparing ink, just press OK button to set the date and time. Then select your preferred time format. Then set the time. After setting date and time, please load a paper on its paper cassette. You can manually adjust the paper cassette in order to load a legal size paper. Then insert the paper cassette. When printer is done preparing ink, it will automatically ask you to print the print quality check pattern. Preparing ink it may take some time, so just wait on it until it will print the print quality check pattern. And after preparing ink is completed, just press Start button to start printing the print quality check. So now we have to check its printout quality, if all colors are visible with no gaps. So as we can see here, that all colors are visible and working fine. Then the screen shows, is quality okay? So press the plus button. Then press minus button to adjust later. Then now, printer Initialize is completed. That's how simple it is to initialize this new Brother DCP-T530DW printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.